Dry, cracked lips can ruin your day, especially during colder months. The right overnight lip mask can restore moisture while you sleep, leaving your lips soft and healthy by morning. In today's video, we're counting down 5 of the best overnight lip masks available right now. We'll cover the pros, the cons, and help you decide which one deserves a place in your skincare routine. Let's get started. Number 1, LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. Taking our top spot is the best-selling LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. Packed with berry mix complex, shea butter, muru seed butter, and vitamin C, it delivers intense overnight moisture while helping repair dry, flaky lips. Pros: deep overnight hydration. Rich in nourishing antioxidants. Suitable for all skin types. Thousands of outstanding customer reviews. Cons: slightly pricier than basic lip balms. Jar packaging may not appeal to everyone. If you want reliable overnight lip care with proven results, LANEIGE remains one of the best choices available today. Number 2, Tatcha Kissu Lip Mask. Tatcha's luxurious jelly formula melts effortlessly onto the lips, locking in moisture with squalane and Japanese peach extracts while helping lips look smoother and fuller. Pros: silky, non-sticky texture. Deep, long-lasting hydration. Leaves lips soft and visibly plump. Cons: higher price tag. Small container. Perfect for anyone who enjoys premium skincare and wants a luxurious overnight lip treatment. Number 3, Grace and Stella Award-winning Lip Butter. This affordable favorite delivers impressive hydration with jojoba oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and a vegan formula that works overnight or during the day. Pros: budget-friendly. Vegan and cruelty-free. Lightweight with a glossy finish. Cons: hydration may not last as long as premium masks. Berry scent may not suit everyone. If you're looking for excellent value without sacrificing quality, this lip butter is definitely worth considering. Number 4, Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. Want fuller looking lips without injections? This overnight mask features multiple forms of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and shea butter to deeply moisturize while giving lips a visibly plumper appearance. Pros: excellent hydration. Noticeable plumping effect. Rich overnight recovery formula. Cons: results vary depending on the user. Slightly expensive for the size. A great pick if hydration and a fuller lip appearance are both high on your priority list. Number 5, ILIA Lip Wrap Overnight Treatment Mask. If you love clean beauty, the ILIA Lip Wrap is an excellent choice. Its formula combines papaya enzymes for gentle exfoliation with hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and soften lips overnight. Pros: hydrates and gently exfoliates. Vegan, cruelty-free, and silicone-free. Can be used both day and night. Cons: premium price. Smaller customer review base than some competitors. A fantastic option for anyone looking for clean ingredients and smoother lips with regular use. Those are our picks for the top 5 best overnight lip masks. If this video helped you find your next lip care favorite, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.